we get to be the popular ones right now. Next week it's somebody else.
You're being very abstract.
Well, humans are fickle, so
Give your
we'll
15
enjoy
minutes,
it.
is what he's trying to say.
This is our 15 minutes, everybody.
Do you know that man?
He's my son. Yes, of course. I had to come down and see it in person.
Yes.
I've been watching all the pictures, you know, that he sends me in on YouTube,
Take
not
that and wave
YouTube,
that in front of
Facebook.
our...
Thank you.
We've been in the paper, we've been on the radio.
Okay.
I get to hobnob with the mayor.
That doesn't happen every day. And Shark and Kamber came in and gave us this wonderful piece of art. We're very thankful to the two of them from the city. I know he didn't make any money on this. He probably got paid less than I get paid. And we'd also like to thank Steve Tucker, who put a lot of work into this thing as well. So Shark, thank you on behalf of the city. Kamber, we appreciate it. Thank you.
And we look forward to years and years of this thing. Thank you.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Very nice. Enjoy. Souvenirs. $5.
Or a beer.
Or a beer.